Hey everybody, it's Bob Kenny again with Draper and Kramer Mortgage. Hope you are doing fantastic. It's been a volatile couple days. I think if you watched yesterday, we saw 125 basis point negative in mortgage-backed securities. If we look at the charts right now, you can see that we're negative 23 basis points as of today. So you can see that here's the intraday chart. We've had a big drop, then we recovered, and then we big drop, and so now we're dropped here. But we're trying to make our way back. The deal here is there's a guy named Nick Tamaros of the Wall Street Journal. He's kind of the Fed whisperer these days. He's the guy that the Fed goes to leak out information ahead of a Fed interest rate announcement, so that it can kind of soften the market up for when they actually do make their announcements. Anyways, he wrote yesterday that they expect a 75 basis point increase in short-term interest rates, which would most likely invert long-term and short-term interest rates. And as we know by watching my videos, that usually leads to a recession. I mean, I think we're already in a recession. We just need another, 2 quarters in a row of negative GDP, and of course, we'll be officially in a recession. So now, if the Fed doesn't raise short-term interest rates by 75 basis points tomorrow, we could actually see a sell-off in mortgage-backed securities and a long-term interest rate increase. So let's hope for the 75 basis point short-term interest rate hike. As you can see by the chart, actually, we just made back 12 base. Now we're only down 12 basis points. So in other news, producer price index went up 0.8% in May. So our year over year is dipped slightly, actually, from 10.9 to 10.8%. So there are some encouraging signs there. Again, if you didn't lock ahead of the massive sell-off yesterday, probably recommend you float and see what happens tomorrow with the interest rate hike. Again, we think we've seen a bottom, and hopefully rates won't go any higher, but anything can happen. So call me if you need me. Again, I'm Bob Kenny, your mortgage fitness pro in the know. Call me if you need me, 630-376-0538. My NMLS number is 198253. Thanks again, and as always, have a great day.